The oldest operating restaurant on Federal Hill is Camille's. Nestled just off Atwell's in the shadow of the Pignola Monument, Camille's has been greeting visitors to Federal Hill for over 100 years. This Rhode Island culinary landmark has maintained its authentic traditional roots while offering an incredible contemporary take on Italian cuisine.
Hi, I'm George Kilborn, the general manager here at Camille's restaurant on Federal Hill. Welcome and come on in. Camille's was first opened in 1914 by a gentleman named Pasquale Paralisi. It was named Marconi's at the time after the wireless inventor. In 1952, it was taken over by his son John and his wife Camille. They expanded the restaurant and changed the name to Camille's Roman Gardens, where it was for years a place to see and be seen. Currently, the restaurant, now known as Camille's, is undergoing sort of a renaissance, if you will. The dining room has been updated. Our chef Mike Penacchia brings to the table a great sense of adding a modern twist to traditional Italian dishes, which is just what we're trying to do. We are absolutely into the current century, but we don't want to get too far from our roots. So, you know, whether people are out for something that is seen as more traditional, like our excellent pasta fagioli or a veal parmesan, or whether they're looking for one of Michael's new specials, like the prosciutto wrapped halibut he'll be making today. We've got something for every palate. We've got a Wine Spectator award-winning wine list to complement the cuisine, and mostly we love what we do. We're here every day working hard but having a great time doing it.
This is Chingalia. This is braised wild boar shoulder. We're going to start off with today. We're going to do a braised octopus. It's a Spanish octopus. It's been braised for about almost 3 hours, very on a slow simmer with some red wine, a little bit of black pepper, and some bay leaf. So we just do it low and slow until everything is nice and tender. What we're looking for with the octopus when it gets to the grill is a nice char, because you want it to be kissed by the smoke and the flame. This is, like I said, this has been braised already, so it's nice. It's actually nice and soft. What we're doing right now is just getting that grill flavor. It's more Mediterranean, you know, rather than Italian. You see this a lot in Greece, a lot in Italy, a lot of open wood fire grilling of octopus. What we're going to do now is we're going to put together the salad that accompanies the octopus. Starts off with baby arugula, some house roasted red peppers, a little bit of pickled red onion, a little bit of toasted hazelnut. Again, you're bringing in that Mediterranean feeling. This is some olive oil, lemon, a little bit of honey. Give that a nice toss. Nice healthy charred octopus. There you have it. Bon appetit. All right, so the next dish we're going to do is prosciutto wrapped halibut. Okay, basically nice clean summer dish. All right, so now we're going to start with a nice 10-ounce piece halibut. You want to get that nice sound. While that's going, we get our risotto going. Carnaroli rice, very similar to arborio. This is going to be for the baby spinach, which is the third component of this dish. Now we're going to attempt to flip the fish. Once you get a nice brown on each side, you want to transfer it to the oven. About 7-8 minutes. What I'm adding here is a mixture of lemon, butter, chicken stock. This is actually my dream job. If you're going to be in an Italian restaurant in Rhode Island, Camille's is where you wanted to be. It was mine and my wife and I's first date, actually. So kind of brings back great memories every time I walk in the place. we're gonna plate the halibut. A little pecorino romano. Like I said again, with this dish, you don't want to do too much to it because it is summertime. We only use the freshest fish. A nice push. Right on top with Judo wrapped halibut. Very light pour on the lemon butter sauce. Nice garnish with some summertime pea tendrils. There you have it. Judo wrapped halibut.
Try the pan-roasted halibut with a prosciutto. It has a wonderful glaze and a creamy risotto with a lot of cheese in it. That is perfectly cooked. Look, you can see it's tender, but it's been seared and browned on the outside. And the prosciutto gives it a salty, roasted type of flavor. And then these cheesy risotto. Oh, this is a great dish.
So what we're going to do next is a play on a New England clam chowder. It's done with homemade potato gnocchi, a little bit of a caramelized guanciale, some caramelized onion, touch of cream. Add that. Some fresh clams, finished with a micro celery salad. So you've got all the flavor components of a New England clam chowder. Get it all together, the onion, the gnocchi, and the bacon.
Look at this. It's like a New England chowder. What? Look at that.
It's not bad.
Not bad. Huh. That's outrageous.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Love that celery hint too.
So what we have here is kind of a Tuscan-inspired dish. It's wild boar that's been marinated, actually, a little bit of apricot preserve, a little bit of honey, a little bit of Dijon mustard to give it a cut through the fat, some herbs. It's going to be paired with a fregolasada, which has some toasted pistachio nuts, some dried apricots. Fregolasada is a Sicilian-style Italian couscous. It's also toasted. It has a real nice nutty flavor. It's going to be finished with a wild mushroom and fig port wine reduction. So we're kind of all over the place with this one, but it should be good. Pop this in the oven, like I said, I'm going to look for an internal temperature about 120 degrees. We'll let it carry over to a medium rare. Here. We're going to lay a nice base of the mushroom sauce on the bottom of the bowl. Just put in our fregolasada, nice amount. Smell the pistachio, the sweetness from the apricot. There's a style of Italian cooking called Borghese style, which was the rich in Italy. So they were able to have the dried fruits and the nuts. So a lot of their food was seasoned a lot better, and just the best of what they could get at the time. So try to introduce that a lot also to the cooking. Wild boar. Last but not least, some fried leek. And bull's blood microwave. Mangia bene.
place is amazing. We had an amazing experience on Federal Hill. Camille's, Venda Ravioli, and Constantino's all led us on a culinary adventure that felt like stepping into Italy.